So
Yes.
two more questions as we finish off this very nourishing conversation today is, and you've shared a lot about the benefits. So what possibilities and gifts really does this lifestyle and this way of thinking, this way of being, bring to people? So we've said, you have so much more time because to be creative because you don't need to sleep. You're lighter in many different ways. What other gifts and possibilities does this open for people?
I would like to say that when I first began on the global stage, and I would say, isn't it incredible? There's this energy that can take away all your hunger, and you don't need to be involved in cooking or shopping or dishes or anything. And you have so much time on your hands and you're free. And most people would go, no. And then we rephrased our language, and I said, isn't it wonderful? We have this energy that can take away all our hunger. And so we are free to choose whether we want to take physical nourishment or just be source fed or do both. Everybody said both. I want to do both because they still like the pleasure and the social interaction, and they don't want to live in such an extreme way. So I think the biggest gift here is freedom of choice. Like once you've locked into this and you've lived it and you know without a doubt that you have this freedom, then it's like maybe you want to take a small amount of food once a month just for fun. Or maybe I know people who have Christmas soup. I know people who have, their kids say, I miss eating with my mum and dad who are now source fed. And so the parents will have one small light meal with the children once a week, maybe fruit or soup, just to bond and do that. Or they then regulate to do other things with their children that bond them, that taking physical food all the time together would do, because many people share their day over the dinner table. There's that breaking bread and communion and sharing. So it's freedom of choice. And I wanted to say that because I know some of your people are going, oh, it's too extreme. I don't want to do that, but I want the freedom. And that's what we are sharing here. Isn't it wonderful to have freedom of choice, that you can get your nourishment direct from source, or add a little bit of physical food if you want. And obviously, the deeper you go into this, the more energy you have for other things. So it seems to then stimulate your other natural abilities of clairvoyance, clairaudience, clairsentient. A lot of people tap into understanding the flow of energy and healing, where I've understood the power of mutual feeding. Like mutual feeding is, I love it. First, the body. I love you, I love you, I love you as the essence I am. Body, I love you because the love is the nourishment. And then you send the I love you to the circle of your family around you. Imagine them. And then you send it out to the community. Family, I love you, I love you, I love you as the essence being I am. I just love and appreciate you. Community, I love, I love, I love, I love and appreciate you. Everyone in my community and all that you do. Thank you, I love you. Sentient life, children of this world. Children of this world, I love you, I love you. Let me just transmit this love for you to take what you want from it. All sentient life in this world, I love you, I love you, I love you. Beyond this planet, all the beings through the multiverses, I love you, 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 I love you. And when it's real, it starts to bounce back. And then all those open to love, they start to biofeedback to your source because it's come from you, this pure love back. And now we're in mutually beneficial feeding. Oh, now you've got millions and billions of sentient life just flooding you with love as you send it out and it comes back, and you send it out and it comes back. And it's just, I didn't know I could do that. I didn't know source feeding could be as simple.